Alright, here in this next lesson we're going to make what is called a ratchet wheel. Yes, I said the word ratchet. Go ahead and get that out of your system. But this is a ratchet gear. It's a ratchet wheel to be exact, and we're going to make this using the circular pattern. You did square pattern in lesson 16. This is circular pattern, and trust me, it is a lot easier than it looks when you first look at this dimension sheet. So as you can see here, we've got a couple circles here, a 40-inch circle, which we will draw, 32-inch circle, which we will not draw, and then a 12-inch circle, as you can see right here, and a 6-inch center circle that is cut out. So we're going to make those circles, and then we're going to show you how to draw the ratchet part right here. Alright, so to make a new part, go on iPro, new, standard.ie, or standard.ipt, and of course we're going to draw this in the X and Y plane. We want to make a 40-inch circle, and if we look back here at our dimension sheet, from the bottom to the top of that is 7 inches, or 6 inches actually. The 40-inch circle is 6 inches tall, so we're going to extrude that 6 inches. Create your 2D sketch here on the surface. And we're going to make this a 12-inch circle. And this is how we get to our 7. Since last time we have a 6-inch circle here, we extrude this shape 1 inch. Okay? It's kind of hard to see there unless you highlight it. And then we're going to make one more circle, a 6-inch circle that is cut out through the center. So 6-inch circle. Finish that up. Extrude all the way through. Alright, so we're starting to take shape here. You can see circle, 12-inch circle, 6-inch circle. Now to draw the tooth here. To do that, we're going to click on Create 2D Sketch and click this front face right here. And as you can see, we have a 4-inch circle that comes, or 4-inch line that comes down right here. Let's draw that. 4 inches. Enter. Now, what you can't see here is basically a line that comes straight down, and a line that goes out to the circle, or side of the circle here, and there's a 60-inch, or 60-degree angle there. So we're going to draw this line on down to the center. We're going to draw it out to the side. Instead of typing in a dimension for inches, we're going to type in a dimension for degrees. We want 60 degrees. Hit enter, and it should have connected that. Let me back that up a little bit. Line, drag it out here to the edge, okay, then change your degrees to 60. That was my mistake. Enter. Nope, went outside. We'll get this right here in a second. Line, out to the edge, and then when you tab over to degrees, make sure, or just go ahead and, tell you what, just go ahead and click here, and then we'll force it with dimension this line to this line. Now we'll force it to be 60. There we go. Alright, now this is where we can do something a little bit different. We're going to draw an arc from the end of this 4-inch line right here, okay, out to the edge down here. Alright, and then when you do that, it wants you to give an angle. Okay, so make this 23. Oops, 23. Okay, enter. Now, you can trim all the rest of this stuff out. You don't need the rest of that. Alright, so you're left with that piece right there. Finish the sketch and extrude that piece. Change that to all. Click OK. Now, if we look back here at our dimension sheet, it says the edge of this is rounded off 1/2 inch. So we're going to fillet that 0.5 inches. Alright, now we're going to select circular pattern, which is right under rectangular pattern. We're going to click on that shape. Then we're going to select rotation axis and select the outside of the circle. And we're going to have 6 edges here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And lucky for us, it defaults to 6. We want it to go all the way around 360 degrees. So click OK. There is your ratchet wheel. Of course, if you want to color that, you can click on that, highlight everything over here, change the color up here at the top. Save that as ratchet wheel and show it to me when you're finished. And if it's for the red day, show it to me when I get back.